Class today we talk about how can you back up on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next CPU. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you come here to backup. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next CPU. Come here to here you uh, backup here between automatic backup here or daily backup to keep or weekly backup to keep here or monthly backup to keep. There can you select it in this list. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.